Okay, so I'm with Jennie today. She's completed our 6-week challenge recently. Jennie's going to explain about what she thought about the whole experience. So Jennie, if you want to let them know.
Yeah, so I came to the 6-week challenge off the back of having 3 children. So I'd been quite sporty before in my life, but then kind of life and children and everything else had got in the way. So what I really loved about the programme, it was the first time kind of since babies that I felt strong, that I felt like, you know, my body was working how it should, and I was a lot less sluggish, kind of really just engaged, and that felt great. And it carved out kind of a bit of time in my week for me where I was doing things that made me feel good, but I wasn't asking for hours and hours every day to go and spend somewhere. You know, it was 3 short sessions a week, and then some great support through the different groups and everything that meant, you know, I had all my questions answered and I had what I needed during the week. So it was really quality time that I was spending, you know, not having to miss loads of things. So at the end of the 6 weeks, I just felt much stronger, much happier, much healthier, kind of, you know, really kind of just got into the zone of making good decisions for myself, and really enjoying the training. I think the training's really fun, and you know, you're working hard, but it doesn't feel like hard work. Well, it does feel hard sometimes, but in a good way, you know, not at all in a way that you're being pushed to do things that you can't do or anything. It's always tailored to kind of, you know, where you are and you working hard. So yeah, I really enjoyed it, and I was kind of just thrilled with the results it gave me, by the way it made me feel at the end as well.
Okay, cool. And with regards to the nutrition side of things, did you think that was very easy to follow, restrictive in any way?
No, not at all. I think I started off by making it too restrictive for myself because I think we're trained to think, oh, I can't have anything fun, and, you know, it has to be so strict. But then, you know, it was always in conversation about, okay, well, you know, maybe you're being too hard on yourself, and ideas and recipes and all kinds of things to just help make it really manageable. So I think probably everyone in my house is eating better now.
Thanks, Jennie. Thank you.
Thanks.